Hello everybody, I'm so excited. I got my Stampin' Up order today and I just wanted to share with you a few things that I got. A little haul here. This is the 2022 in color, new colors for the next 2 years. The first one is Bumblebee, Magenta Madness, Just Jade, Misty Moonlight, and Cinnamon Cider. So I got the set of those ink pads since they're going to be the next colors coming out, or the new colors coming out. And then of course I got the matching cardstock. Look how pretty that pink is. And I really love this Just Jade. That is cute. Cute, cute, cute. So I got the coordinating cardstock, the new inks, and I didn't go too crazy on paper. I did pick up this new collection. It's the In Good Taste Designer Series paper. This is kind of like a wood background collection. It's so pretty. Let me do a little flip through. Look how cute these backgrounds are. Pretty. This one's like a cement look. Bricks. Another wood. Look how pretty that is, like tile. This one looks kind of like a textured paint. More wood, more textured paint. Like, kind of like a basket weave. Look how pretty these are. This kind of looks like a marble. This blue one, oh my god, that is so cute. A lighter wood, another brick background. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I saw it and I had to have this one. I love these backgrounds. Might have to get another pack of this one. And then I picked up, this is, what was it called? I think this was called Flowers for All Occasions. Oh, no, it's stuck together. Great. I think it was called like Flowers for Any Occasions. There it is. Sorry. Flowers for Every Season. My bad. It's the 6x6 papers. And look how cute these are. If you love flower backgrounds, you're going to love this one. Sunflowers. And then the other side is kind of muted. It's the softer side. Look how pretty these are. That one is really, really cute. Oh my god, those roses. Stripes. I don't even know what you call those. Those are pretty. Look at this blue one. Yes. And then the leaves on this side. Oh, and then there's a Christmas. Very cute. Look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. So yes, so that's the 6x6 Flowers for Every Season. And then I picked up this little paper pack. This is in the clearance. This is only, I think it was like $4.40 maybe. For those of you that love to do the Christmas in July, this is a great buy. This is Night Before Christmas and it's in the clearance section. And this is like a little card pack. Look how cute. It has these little pieces. It has some stickers in the back. And then these bigger pieces that you can use for card bases, card fronts, scrapbooking. You want to make your own Christmas tags. Super cute. Super cute. And for $4 in the clearance, can't beat that. So that was pretty much all the paper I got. I picked up this new set, Nothing's Better Than. Coffee, cookies, cocktails, chocolate. Super cute. I know I'm going to have a lot of fun with this one. And I got the coordinating dies for this. So it cuts out the cookie, it cuts out the little drink, the coffee, and it cuts out these 4 big words. This is going to be cute, cute, cute. Then I picked up this one, Strong and Beautiful. This is a great stamp set. Look at how many sentiments are on here. Love it. To the woman who does it all with grace and wisdom. Love that one. This is a great stamp set. Red rubber. And then this was a very popular set. This is the Prize Peony. Peony? However you say it. This was a really popular set. This one is kind of like, you can get it in the suite or a bundle. So I picked up the stamp set, and then it has these coordinating gemstones. I picked up 2 packs of these because I thought they were so pretty. Kind of like a pink and then the white iridescence. And I also picked up the coordinating gray granite shimmer ribbon. This one's really pretty. Look how cute that is. And this one also has a coordinating paper pack that I picked up. Let's see, look how pretty that is. See, that'll match that gray granite ribbon. Look how pretty. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Well, if I could just learn how to say the word peony. Peonies? I don't know. But I just thought this paper was gorgeous. Look how pretty that's gonna look. All coordinated. And then the gray ribbon. So pretty. And there was a few more items for this little suite that I didn't pick up, but you know, little by little I'm gonna get it. Can't wait to play with this one. So pretty. Then I had to get this one because I love the fonts. Ridiculously awesome. Make today ridiculously awesome. You got this. You are my sunshine. Guess why I got this? I can make a card for my sunshine. Let your faith be bigger than your fear. P.S. I love you. Red rubber. So cute. I love this one. I also picked up this new embossing folder. This makes your paper, it gives you the texture like when you wet it and crinkle it up. So this is the embossing folder, old world paper, 3D embossing folder. The other stamp set I picked up in the bundle was this Lovely You. You can see it has a lot of really nice sentiments. And this is a good one because it bundles with this new punch. This punch makes 2 different tags. So you see here, one side is like a flat top and the other side is like a curved, and you can go from this thinnest, the width here, the next width, and then the biggest width is like 1 inch, I believe. So it'll be this, 3 different sizes, 1 inch, 1/4 less than that, and then 1/4 less than that, I believe. Haven't played with it yet, just got it today and wanted to try it out, but I thought it was cute. You can bundle these together and save 10%. Lovely You. And I know this one I'm going to use a lot. I love punches. I also picked up the new Stampin' Seal. Stampin' Up replaced their old tape runner. This one right here, this little one, the snail adhesive. And they upped their game and got this new one called the Stampin' Seal. So this one is supposed to be a lot stronger, and they also have the Stampin' Seal Plus. However, when I placed my order, it was already on back order because it's super popular. Everybody wanted it. And the Stampin' Seal Plus is for your 3D projects, making boxes, bags, like for that extra oomph that you need for your adhesive. So I'm going to try this one out, see how I like it. I also picked up these super cute new 3 1/8 by 3 1/8 acetate boxes. I thought these packs were so cute. So this is pretty much the size once you put your box together. It's big enough to fit like sticky notes. You can make 3 by 3 note cards and do a little card set, give them away, decorate this. I thought it was going to be really, really cute. And just because I thought it was cute, I picked up these little mini boxes. They look just like our shipping boxes, but in the miniature size. Super cute. And I think that was it. So I just want to do a quick video. So happy with my haul. I got my new catalogs finally. So for those that were waiting, I'm going to be sending them out probably by the end of the week, by the time I get everything all put together. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Let's place some orders on some new items, really cute new things in the new catalog. And don't forget to check out the clearance section.